लग्जरी होम तो सबको चाहिए, बट गलत फ्लोरिंग या फर्नीचर सेलेक्ट कर लिया तो रोज का कंफर्ट बन सकता है ग्रोज का रिग्रेट। फ्लोरिंग एंड फर्नीचर सिर्फ डेकोर के लिए नहीं होते। दीज आर लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट्स जो डिसाइड करते हैं कि घर कितना इजी केयर होगा, कितना ड्यूरेबल होगा और आप अपनी स्पेस को कितना एंजॉय करेंगे। टुडे आई विल शो यू हाउ टू मेक स्मार्ट चॉइसेस so your home is beautiful and practical. From flooring that ages gracefully to furniture जो सिर्फ stylish ही नहीं comfortable भी हो. Let's cover it all so you design without regrets. Let's start with the real story. एक testimonial जो proof करता है that small details can really transform a space. छोटी स्पेस को इग्नोर मत करो। सही डिजाइन से वही स्पेस कॉन्फिडेंस, प्रोफेशनलिज्म और इम्पैक्ट का सेंटर बन सकती है। This cabin was treated as a hierarchy exercise. By defining focal points and support areas, the room balanced authority with accessibility, creating a structured workspace for leadership. Glossy surfaces जल्दी dull हो जाते हैं. That's why choose a material जो daily hustle भी handle करे and even looks classy at the same time. Finishes were created for endurance. Textured laminates, engineered veneers, and long life fabrics. These gave sophistication while reducing visible wear, extending the polished look of the executive cabin. एक रूम की वाइब सिर्फ उसका फर्नीचर डिसाइड नहीं करता। लाइट्स, लेआउट एंड स्मॉल डिटेल्स क्रिएट एन ऑरा जो स्ट्रॉन्ग इंप्रेशन देता है। Here, lighting was layered to emphasize depth and volume. The furniture layout directed movement towards the central desk, while subtle accents highlighted hierarchy without overwhelming the compact space. Now let's talk flooring, because ये एक गलती पूरी जिंदगी भर का हेडेक बन सकती है। Engineered wood flooring looks warm and maintains a daily shine बिना किसी polishing के headache के. It's a practical plus pretty combo. Engineered planks are built in layered formats, allowing dimensional stability across climates. They replicate natural timber's beauty while resisting seasonal expansion, making them reliable for long-term projects. बड़े टाइल्स रूम को इंस्टेंटली बड़ा फील देते हैं। Less joints, clean lines, and a chic modern vibe. Oversized tiles reduce grout lines and add visual spaciousness. Their scale creates a monolithic surface, visually enlarging spaces while easing upkeep in high traffic areas. Stone looks timeless, लेकिन protective finish के साथ ही practical बनता है. Otherwise, there is always a risk of stains and scratches. Natural stones are sealed with industrial coatings to safeguard veining and luster. This method extends longevity while maintaining the authenticity of marble or granite, even in kitchens or lounges. So now flooring is sorted, but अगर फर्नीचर गलत पिक किया तो पूरा वाइब खराब हो जाता है। Let's sort that. Oversized sofa घर में नहीं शोरूम में ग्रैंड लगता है। It kills movement and makes the space look cramped. Circulation mapping should be done before recommending furniture. Dimensions are matched to room scale, ensuring seatings are proportionate and pathways are uninterrupted. Stylish chair पे बैठ के अगर comfort ना मिले तो वो एक decorative showpiece है, not real luxury. Ergonomic checks shape all approvals, the back angles, cushioning, seat depth, and proportion. This ensures that designer pieces provide sustained usability, not just visual appeal. Random styles हर corner में डालने से घर curated नहीं messy लगता है. Cohesion is the real elegance. A design narrative guides every selection, whether transitional or neoclassical. Each furniture piece ties back to the broader theme, creating a collective cohesion. So if you're planning your home, choose a flooring that lasts and furniture that blends comfort with style. That is how you design without regrets. This is Digbaja Architects, bringing clarity, comfort, and confidence to India's finest homes.